and welcome back to the last and final episode of vlogtober 2023. Ooh, I know it's sad it's coming to an end, but you will definitely see more from me. You will definitely be seeing more from me. But no, hi, I'm Tula and Tania. Welcome back to the Flossy Posse. If you'd like to join, hit that red subscribe button. But hi, today is Sunday. Actually, I'm actually about to leave to go get grocery shopping, and I wanted to introduce the vlog and tell you guys about that. Tell you guys that I'm about to do that, and just this is going to be a big grocery shop for me. That's the second one since moving into this apartment. So it's actually not going to be a whole bunch of things, but it's just going to be like some things that I've overlooked and haven't gone to the store for in a minute. So yeah, come with me to do that. I'm excited. And after that, I'm going to be meal prepping, so I might do some more clips from that too. But hello guys, just wanted to say hello, welcome if you're new, and hey girl, hey if you're not new. Just got out of HEB. Hello, that's how I was looking. We got the groceries back here, but I'm about to give y'all a tour. I mean, not a tour, a haul when I get home. All right, we didn't get too much stuff really. So this first meat, this looked like really interesting. It's beef flank and ribs bone in with chili lime marinade. I was kind of interested. I was like, I don't know about the I was questioning the chili lime, but if not, it's just ribs. It's just some other type of meat that I really wanted to try other than what I had. I did end up getting the salmon because theirs was not priced the way that I thought. Fish sticks. We needed some things, and also pizza rolls. We needed some things for days when I didn't want to cook. At least I got some shrimp, so that's good, okay? 2 things of soda, regular Coke, and like a Fanta orange soda. We got this because I am not a Keurig girl or a whatchamacallit girl yet. What's the other one? Nespresso? Yeah, I might get an espresso. That'll be exciting. It's more exciting than Keurig, but I don't really take my coffee that serious. So as you can see, just got that because I do want some type of coffee in the place. Then we got some Vienna sausages, cans of tuna, donuts. I needed some things for my sweet tooth. Other than just like cookies, because I'm tired of eating like hard things, but I still got some vanilla wafers. Then we got this to try their I've never had their brand, HEB brand, like Velveeta. So, but I mean, how can you get it wrong, really? So, and I just know that HEB, that's why I went there, because they're really good at like matching their brand stuff with the original item. That's also why I got their pizza rolls in this too. So, and this, I've had their Frosted Flakes and they taste just like the regular ones, and these as well. So Cheeto Puffs, Frosted Flakes. I just had these cheddar and sour cream, or sour cream and cheddar, sour cream and onion chips. Those taste like the original too. This caught my eye so many times, and it looked like it tastes so good, and I really want some thick cut bacon. So we're gonna have to make that, and just a 1.5 eggs, and that's basically it. That's literally it. Has anyone ever had like kind of an obsession, or either just was eating a lot of a snack as a child, or just had a childhood snack or whatever? but like one day it just suddenly started tasting different. Cause I definitely do. That's how I feel about honey buns and about Kit Kat. Cause I used to love Kit Kat. Kit Kats was always like my favorite chocolate growing up. But I was just like, one day I was just like, I don't know, it just tastes kind of different. I don't know if it was Nestle that changed their chocolate recipe or something, but I was still eating other like Nestle brand, I think, Nestle brand chocolates and things, because I think like Reese's and other things are Nestle too. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat this honey bun and see if it still tastes like the original recipe that I had. Because I don't know, sometimes when they get bought out by like another owner probably or company, they have to tweak things a little bit without telling us. That's how I be feeling. Alright, so here it is. I opened it already. Okay. It tastes the same as the ones that I had when I was growing up. Maybe that one that I had one time was like stale or something. Even though this one feels like it could be warmed up. Or it could be a little more fresh. Chicken and stiff. But I just need like a pastry, you know, to have in the fridge, in the closet, in the pantry. Pastries in the pantry. Pastries in the pantry. Now I'm about to cook.
Get on the grill. Yes, sir. Both teams did recover from earlier issues. And now, the continuation of Hell's Kitchen.
Because you're on thin ice. In fact, it's so thin, I can hear the cracking.
I can't believe everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when lose women. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me.
Turf and turf, bitch, it's surf and turf.
Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end.
So this is how the food came out. We got pan-seared tilapia, yellow rice, and cabbage. This is probably the best that my cabbage has came out. And really like the first time that I've second time I've made it, first time it's come out this good. So, yum, yum, yum. I'm about to eat and call it a night. It's 10 p.m.